Hello everyone, welcome to our channel where we bring you interesting insights about rare coins from around the world. Today, we're going to talk about a very special coin, the 25-cent Canada 2008 coin. This coin was released by the Royal Canadian Mint in 2008 to commemorate a very important event in Canadian history. It features a red-colored maple leaf with the Canadian Olympic logo in the center. The significance of this coin lies in the fact that it was issued during the year of the Beijing Olympics, where Canada won 18 medals, including 3 golds. This coin was released to celebrate the achievements of Canadian athletes during this event. The 25-cent Canada 2008 coin is made of nickel and has a diameter of 23.88 millimeters. The coin has a mintage of 22.7 million. Making it a common coin in circulation. However, due to its historical significance and unique design, some collectors are willing to pay a premium for it. In terms of value, the 25-cent Canada 2008 coin is not worth a lot. It is currently valued at around 25 cents in circulated condition and up to 50 cents in uncirculated condition. However, if you're a collector, this coin is definitely worth adding to your collection, especially if you're interested in Olympic-themed coins or coins that commemorate important events in Canadian history. So, that's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about the 25-cent Canada 2008 coin. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting coin-related content. Thank you for watching and